welcome to my channel. In this video I got a 2002 G-Wagon W463 that's going to be converted to a newer G-Wagon Brabus, and not only is it going to get a conversion kit, but it's also going to get freshly wrapped in tech wrap coral peach. Take a look at this color, unbelievable, those metallics. We're going to be getting new wheels. They're custom made, you guys don't want to miss this. They're on another level. They match with everything that I'm going to be doing to this G-Wagon. They just kind of button up everything. And then maybe potentially I will be swapping over the calipers and the rotors. We'll see for now, but I know for sure it's getting new wheels, and I've seen them, but I'm not going to be spoiling it just now. You guys are going to have to stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe this video, because I know there's a lot of you guys watching that are not subscribed. I got many more content like this lined up for you guys. Cannot wait to start. Let's begin. So this is a 02 G-Wagon with a 2019 plus Brabus W464 kit on it. If you are attempting to do this, make sure you get yourself a quality kit. It goes a long way. I've worked with kits that were test fitted before they were shipped out. Those kits obviously are going to be much more expensive, but they're expensive for a reason, because, well, you're not going to have that headache trying to fit something or have a part that's not even meant for your car, but it's included, and you think, well, what the hell is this doing in a kit? So it's just too much headaches. You don't want that. So just get yourself a good kit and you shouldn't really have any issues. Now, as far as wiring is concerned, covered the how to wire up the front headlights in the white G-Wagon that I've done the G63 conversion. So from old to new G63, so W463 to W464. And also in that video I included how to wire up the rear taillights. It's only for the 02s. 03s are different on the rears, because you don't have the fog light and then reverse light on the bottom. It's all incorporated into the one tail light on the 03s and up. 02s, I just don't like them. Nobody really likes them. So if you are also attempting to do this, make sure you start on a 03, because I know a lot of people buy these G-Wagons like project cars because there's so much customizable things for them. Make sure you get yourself a 03, because I know 02s are cheaper, but you're gonna have a headache, trust me. So 03s and up. So from 03 and up, it just gets easier. So what I've done to this G-Wagon, obviously wired up everything. The DRLs on the bottom didn't really want to work, so I just tapped in from the driver's side to the passenger side. So now everything is working as it's supposed to. The turn signals work as they're supposed to on the passenger side and on the driver's side. When it comes to the headlights, make sure you pay attention to the labels that are on them, because this is the first time I'm seeing this with the headlights. You just wire them up because the resistor is already within the headlight. It's much beefier than like previous headlights that I've done, apparently, per the label. So all you gotta do is just wire up the headlight and then change the fuse to a higher amperage. The fuse box is located in the passenger side glove box, and that's it. So make sure you pay attention to the labels that are left on like a turn signal or on a headlight or whatever. It's there for a reason. Now, as far as this G-Wagon is concerned, it's wrapped in the coral peach by Tech Wrap. This color, however, if you guys are trying to do this on a car that's like a G-Wagon with this kind of bumper, I'm just gonna advise you guys right now to not stretch it too much, because it will this color. Now here is where it's gonna get a little bit crazy. So with these wheels, they're not just any other wheels. They are custom made with Saya all over the rim. And also, if you guys noticed, maybe you guys can't see it, so this inner part is in gloss cream, this outer part is in the matte cream. So it's like a two-tone in a way. And speaking of the two-tone, I did something like that for the roof. So this part is satin black 3M 2080, and then this part is matte black by 3M 2080. You may not see it right now, but it's there. And that roof was pretty difficult. I mean, you had yellow all over the place. I got rid of that. I've also done the inner parts. It was all yellow, now it's in satin black. Did the doors, satin black, everything. There's no yellow whatsoever. You might see some yellow right here because, well, need a new what is it, rudder stripping piece, but other than that, look at this. Just look at that, man, just crazy. A lot of work has been put into this G-Wagon, a lot of work. So everything is in satin black. Also wrapped these inserts in forged carbon. Just little things like this matter. And I didn't just do the outer part, I did the inner part, like everything. Two-piece set, of course, I cut right here. but I mean, the work that's been put into this, it really speaks for itself. Oh, by the way, if you guys are going to be installing these fender flares from the kit, which you will most likely will, I recommend reusing your these little pieces from the old kit, because I'm sure you don't want to have issues where the fender flare is rubbing up against the wrap or the paint or whatever and it's scratching it. So I highly recommend reusing this this stripping right here. Now on the back side, same thing, two-pieced it, one over here and then one on the outer side, and then reuse this molding piece. There you go, there's the back part. It's crazy, honestly. A lot of work has been put in, as you guys can see. Anyone can do this. If you have the tools, if you have the knowledge, and you have the time, and you have the courage, you can pull this off. So that'll be it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends, family. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Peace out.